Hello, my name is Johanna Holbrook, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity that I have to be able to discuss my business here with you today. My business is entitled Lashes by Jo. In the beauty industry, lash extensions are all the new rave. Girls cannot or will not leave their houses without having their lashes done. The most common customers are women ages 16 all the way up to 60 who are interested in maintaining an easy, clean, beautiful look. This solves the problem of women having to take the time to put mascara on every morning and dealing with it the rest of the day. It saves time and it looks 100% better. Lashes by Jo will offer this incredible service at a much better price compared to its competition. Our product that I'm offering, it's a lash service where one goes in and applies individual lash extensions onto the natural eyelash. This takes time and a lot of practice, but when it's done properly, it turns into an amazing result. I will also offer a lash detox product. This is a cleanser, which my client can purchase for themselves to help maintain their lashes while at home. Our main target will be women in the Utah County. Because the product itself is specific for women, those would be our customers. In the Utah County, there are over 200,000 women. I did the calculations, and about 2% would receive lash extensions. There's a potential market of over 5,000 customers here. Note, this is a very busy field with a lot of lash artists that participate in this service. With that being said, there is still a high market demand for this. There are two separate customer segments here. We have teenagers and we have women. Teenagers, they care so much about how they look and appear to others. This is very important for those high school girls. And then there are women who are also concerned with looking nice, but are more concerned about convenience. My number one goal is to create a one-on-one personal and individual relationship with all of my customers. It is important for women to feel like this is a place of relaxation and comfort. In order to get customers, I plan to attend beauty conventions, conferences, and to network to build a clientele and invite people in to try my services for a discounted price. To keep my customers, I plan on following up with every individual one, not only to schedule a follow-up appointment, but to see on how their lashes are doing, answer any of the questions that they have. And I am also going to offer and have this great product that will have the women desiring to come back again and again. To grow my business, I will advertise through Instagram and other social media platforms. Viral Loop, I'll give discounts on a service if my customers will share their experiences on social media with their friends and with their family. My distribution channels. We will receive our products from Bella Lash, which is a wholesale supplier, and then we will use those products directly on our customers and sell our detoxes, directly to the customers as well. Our key partners is Bella Lash. They are our suppliers. We will partner with them. They are based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. We will receive all of our products, including our lashes, our glue, our supplies, and our lash detox. We will go to events, conventions, and conferences where our competition, such as Borboleta, will be displaying their products and services. However, this will actually benefit me because it will help to set a standard for all lash artists in the area, promoting high-quality lash extensions. Financially, this is where I need you to help me with my startup costs. I hope to be able to open up a salon in the Lehi area, approaching the Traverse Mountain outlets. This will get a lot of high traffic. It's a central location, so more people will be able to come here, and it's also got great easy access right off the freeway. I myself am planning to run and operate the salon, and my husband will help me to take care of the books. I plan to protect my personal branding as a company. After gathering all of the products and securing a location, the biggest activity from there will be advertising. I plan to reach out to local influencers and give them a full service for free. In exchange that they post or blog about their experience on social media. I believe this will help to drive traffic into my store. This is a breakdown, an annual sheet of how much my variable costs and my fixed costs are going to be. My most expensive item is the fixed cost of my rent space in the salon. The rest of my variable costs have been broken up annually, and they come to a total of just under $2,000. Revenue. Here's our breakdown. The services I offer are a classic set or a volume set. Classic is individual lashes. Volume is 2 or more lashes applied to one individual lash. And then the fill that you receive every 2 to 3 weeks that you come back to my service. I supposed an average of having 8 customers per day, 2 per set. A full, 2 classic, 2 full volume, and 2 volume fills. That would average $420 per day. And if we added a 20% tip, that's $84. As I go through, I can come up with a yearly total of over $100,000. And after I cut out all my expenses, I am still left with $100,000 in revenue. The metrics that matter most to me, getting the data together. I want to make sure that all of my numbers are always accurate and always up to date, so that you can be sure that I am always have everything in line, all my I's dotted and my T's crossed. I plan to set weekly goals. I plan to do this in a number of areas, between customers, between revisits from existing customers, social media incentives, coupons redeemed, etc. And I plan on defining what success means to me. It's important for me to know that I'm being successful. To me, it means I'm breaking even. My clients are happy and that I'm enjoying this work, which I already am so much. As I interviewed dozens and dozens of people, I came up with a lot of great conclusions. I interviewed both males and females, asking the males if they could see their wives, their sisters, mothers, colleagues being interested in this item, and if they thought it was an overall good business idea. I received a lot of great feedback. Majority of women said that they would try it and that they'd be interested in seeing how the service was and the lashes lasted. Most people were interested in the price. A lot of lash artists charge outrageous prices, and so to have prices that are in more moderate range is ideal. There were only very few people, women especially, who said that they would not be interested in trying the product. This really helped me to be able to tone down on my business plans and make a few modifications where needed. My business environment, since it's going to be just me here, it's very simple right now before I grow too much. But I want it to be a place of peace, of happiness, a place where people feel like they can come here and have peace and joy. Some of my strengths with this business is that it's a highly sought after product. It's a relatively big market for it, and I have great access to high-end product. I will be able to have customer loyalty. They'll continue to come back again and again. I don't have to continue to strive to find new clients all the time. A weakness is there is a lot of competition in the field for this. Opportunities. There's so many opportunities for growth. Right now it's just me doing the lash extensions, but I could hire more employees to do lashes. I could spread to have more and more stores throughout just not this county, but throughout the state, and then go even further out of state as well. There's so much opportunity for growth. The threats are similar to weaknesses. There is a lot of competition, so being able to overcome that will be our biggest threat. From my initial canvas to my final canvas, I've had a lot of changes, a lot of things that I've been able to learn along the way, and I'm so grateful that I've been able to learn that. One of my biggest pivots was understanding that Bella Lash could be my partner, my wholesale supplier. Before I wasn't really sure, and I thought I would be able to get my supplies from somewhere else. But I came to understand the partnership that I could have there and how much it would benefit me and benefit them as well. I also learned how important it would be for me to utilize social media as a referral program instead of other ways of doing marketing. I'm so grateful for that. I am so grateful for your time. I'm so grateful for you letting me be able to share my business idea with you. Please, if you have any questions or any further information that you desire, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.